Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2023 Cadillac XT4 all-wheel drive Sport. It has the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, the 9-speed automatic, and is painted in crystal white tri-coat on lightweight interior. All right, we'll start here at the rear. So we got our lift gate open there. You can see it goes nice and high. We also has the privacy shade here for the trunk. And then inside we have a nice spacious trunk capacity here. As you can see, the seats do fold down flat as well. I'll lift this up here so we got some more storage in there. And we'll go ahead, close it up, push that button there. And then we'll zoom out and we'll check out the roof here. So it's got the panoramic roof there, as you can see, with the black rails, the body colored antenna. We got that spoiler done with the white and the black. And then we got the LED taillights, XT4 all-wheel drive on this side, Cadillac badge, and then the 350T badge over on the right-hand side. As we step back here, you're gonna see the dual exhaust integrated in the rear diffuser there. And we'll check out the wheels next. All right, making our way to the wheels, we have the blacked out gloss wheels. It's multi-spoke design, Continental tires all the way around. The rear tire size is a 245 45R20. 4-wheel disc brakes, and we got black lug nuts. Making our way to the front, same size tire on the front. Let's check out the interior next. So the door panel is the black, and we got that nice stitching here. You got the nice exposed carbon fiber trim there. Here's your door release, power windows there. It does have the BOSE sound system. Here's our front seats from the rear. You can see it's got the light weight behind there as well. Center console with HVAC. We got heated seats back here, some media ports, the carpeted floor mats. We'll scan the seat here, so beautiful leather seats here. We got the V there, the headrest, and we'll open up this. We got the armrest with 2 cup holders here, and I show you there. So this is removable as well. Full panoramic roof, so the view from back here. It's got the power shade as well. Let's close the door here, and you can see the nice carbon fiber here, the power locks, power windows, and I'll show you the dash on this side here. So nice and clean, as you can see. More carbon fiber. Open up the box. We got the books in there. Here's our door jambs, nice and tidy. Your Cadillac kick plate down there. Floor mats here. And then we have your power seats. It's also got the heating function on the side there. We'll scan the bucket seats here. So it's got the nice 2-tone accent there. And I'll show you the panoramic roof from that angle. All right, close up the door here. Then we'll start back here. We'll walk down the vehicle. So there's your black rails. There's your panoramic roof. Body colored mirrors with signals built in. It's got 360 camera as well. Body colored door handles. There's your black wheels from this angle. Down at the rockers here, you're gonna see the blacked out treatment there. Then we got the Cadillac symbol on the fender there. Let's make our way to the front. The LED headlights there. Then we got the signature Cadillac grille. Let's show you the hood here. So let's get the hood liner, and then here's the engine. So it's the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing 235 horsepower. It's paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. All right, we'll close this up here. We'll step back. You can see the paint here, that beautiful tri-coat paint. So this one just came in, so it hasn't been polished yet. So we're gonna do a polish on the 5-stage polish on the vehicle, as we do to all vehicles. But you can see here, we got a great starting point. There's our last wheel. We'll just show a quick view on this side of all the treatments. You can see it's just as nice on this side here. Here's our doors over here. So we do have blind spot monitor in the mirror there. We got the power locks there, your memory settings for your driver, power mirror functions, and then we have power windows. Here's our rear lift gate. You can change the settings there. Again, the BOSE sound system. And then here's our dash over here. Door jambs looking great. And then their pedals, there's our mats, and again the power seats. Again, heated seats up here. And we'll scan the seat here. Beautiful color against this tri-coat white. Closing the door here, we have the carbon fiber. Here's our nice vents, electronic parking brake, dash dimming lights. Underneath here, we have a lever here, so manual tilt and telescopic wheel. We got your headlight controls here. We got paddle shifters on the wheel here, so upshift, downshift. Here's all your cruise control settings here. We have a heated steering wheel, and then we have your Bluetooth there, and then we have your arrow keys here, audio, and your windshield wiper settings. All right, let's push button start. We'll start it up. Oh, I gotta grab the remote, sorry. Got it up here on the windshield. All right, push that now. We'll zoom out so you can see the wheel. So you got the black leather wheel here, the contour, perforated leather here with the contours, 3-spoke design, Cadillac symbol in the horn here. We'll come into the gauge cluster here. So we have analog on the side, digital in the center, mileage only 35,224 kilometers. Up here we got the a pocket here for glasses, and then we have your overhead map lights, universal garage door opener there, rear camera mirror. You can turn that off to a light sensitive mirror if you like. Down here we have your touchscreen here, so you got your climate controls here. Come back here. Here's your camera, so you got your front camera here. It's a 360 camera. Let's throw it in reverse while we're here. So you can see we got reverse camera as well, and we got the park sensors. I can feel my seat vibrating there when I put it in reverse. We got Cadillac maps. We also have navigation, so let's just hit that there. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Coming down here, there's your home button. And then we got more buttons down here for your climate. And then down here, heated seats, ventilated seats as well, and your park sensors. Down here we have a compartment that opens up, and we got media ports there, 12-volt socket, and a little bit more storage down there. And then here we have your automatic shifter, all your buttons here for your touchscreen, 2 cup holders here, and then we have some more buttons here, so automatic shut-off, traction control, and your mode selector. So let's swing it back in here. You can see the different modes. So we got off-road, tour mode, all-wheel drive, sport. So you can change those. Back down here, we got the console. Lift that up. We got a storage ceiling here that moves away, and then we got more storage there, and we got a nice spot here for a phone to sit. We'll go ahead, open up the door here. We got the lights on, and we'll give it a few revs here. You hear the turbo kick in. One more time. All right. It's a peppy motor. Make our way to the front here. We'll show you those LED lights there. Cool looking to them. We'll spin the car around. Show you the LED tail lights next. All right, so here we have it. This is a 2023 Cadillac XT4 all-wheel drive Sport. It features the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder at the 9-speed automatic and is painted in crystal white tri-coat with a lightweight interior. This is here and available at MontrealMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.